In this video, I'll show you how to use your Dymo LetraTag Label Maker. It has many different features and I'll show you how to change each of them. So let's get started. First of all, you obviously need to load a cartridge with paper right on the top. This is how it looks like. It has a small hole over here. You need to align it with the small piece here, like so, and just push it. Then close the top and you're ready to print. You can write in many different sizes and styles. To have access to this feature, you need to press the format button over here. Then you'll have size presented to you. Press the OK button. And simply using these arrows here up and down, you'll be able to change between large, extra small, small, medium. You can see over here, it gives you a preview of how big it will look. I'll keep it to medium. Once you want to confirm, simply press the OK button. You can press format again, press the down arrow and select style. Press OK, and here you can change between normal, bold, italic, outline, and shadow. You can also print in vertical. I'll keep it to normal. Press OK to confirm. You can also add borders to your label. To do so, press again the format button, then go down until you see borders. Press OK. And here it will give you a preview on how the border will look like. Simply by pressing the down arrow here, you can see here there's only a line. Here it's more like a square, a rounded square, and many other designs that are preloaded into this label maker. Press OK to select the one you want. You can also insert symbols, not only letters. To do so, press the insert button. You see symbols will be marked here. Press OK. And by using these pads, by using these arrows, go down, right, left, you can select the symbol you wish. Okay, there's many of them that are preloaded. Let's say I want this arrow, press OK to select it, and it will be right over there. By pressing the settings button on the top, you can have access to different features. Press the arrow down, change the language of the device, set date. If you select this and press OK, you'll be able to program the date. So you can choose whatever date it is, and then you'll be able to import it into your label if you want the label to have the date. To do so, you just have, well, first set the date, press OK, the time, OK, and to insert it, press insert button here, go down, until you see date. Press OK, and then the date will be added after whatever you typed already in the preview box. You can obviously also type any message using the keyboard pad. And if you want to clear everything, you can erase using this button or press clear and then press OK. It will erase everything. If you want to save a label, for example, you expect to print this one multiple times in the future and you don't want to retype it every time, you can save it. Press this first button here. It will tell you in which slot you want it to save. Press OK, and it's saved. Now, if I delete it and I want to get it back here without typing it, you just have to press the second button, the second white button here. And in slot number 1, you'll have the label. Simply press OK to confirm and it will appear on the screen. Now let's print it. To do so, you just have to press the print button. Wait a few seconds, it will come out on the right side. And when it's done, you need to press very firmly on this scissor button. It will cut the label, pull it out, and here we go. We have printed a label. If you want to stick it, very easy. Bend it into here just slightly, remove the backing paper, and now you can stick your label whatever you want. So this is how you use your Dymo LetraTag LetraTag Label Maker. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.